as it is a part of your book program also. Read a string means we need to enter the string and count the number of vowels comma words present in the string. As you all know what are vowels and what are words. Like if for my name Ritika Bansal, so you need to tell how many words are there in Ritika space Bansal. Total two words. One word is Ritika, another word is Bansal. Now we will count the number of vowels in Ritika Bansal. So you all know what are the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So we will enter, user can enter the string and your program will count automatically how many words are there in that string and how many vowels are there in the string. Now some students can get puzzled at this point that string is one word or multiple words. The we can consider a string as a line also. Like we say computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device means this complete line is also considered as a string. This strings contains multiple words and multiple spaces. So we can say computer is an electronic device. This is an example from your book only. So here where there are five words and we need to count the vowels also. As in the output screen of this program, the line entered by the user is Kanika Trehan is an intelligent girl. This is the one string. This complete line is one string. In this string we have many words like Kanika, Trehan is an intelligent and girl. So we need to count the words and we will count the vowels also. And this line can be long, so we will start with the programming of this concept. At the line number 5 of this code we have considered the array char type and the array name is str, and bracket we have considered 80 size. Why we have considered 80 size? Because we have we considered that the size of the line is to the max of 80 characters. Now we are taking many variables to solve our problem. Ch vow means vowels. We will count the vowels, and this vow is considered as int data type because vow number of vowels will be integer, number of words wr will be an integer, and I is the control variable for our programming purpose. So firstly at line we will start with asking the line from the user. So line number 8 helps us in that. Printf statement will display the message, enter the line of text. Now line number 9 and line number 10 helps us in getting the string and putting the string on the screen. Like getting the string getS function will help us and it will display Kanika Trehan is an intelligent girl, and putTest function will display that line Kanika Trehan is an intelligent girl. Now we have initialized the value of variable I is equals to 0. When we have not counted yet VOW and WR, these two variables will consider the will have garbage value in them. So to initialize them, we will initialize them to 0. So now we have we have not counted vowels, we have not counted words. We will start with the counting of these two things in our line, and while loop at line number 10, line number 13, sorry, line number 13, the while loop will help us in that. In this you are taking one character at a time and comparing that character to the null character. Until null character comes, you are checking each and every character of the string with A, E, I, O, U. You all know double equal to is the equality operator, and or symbol is used. Logical operators you have already covered. If ch is equals to a, if ch is equals to e, ch is equals to I, or ch is equals to o, if any of the any character matches with the vowels, then you will you will do increment of vow. Vow is the count of vowels. Else if you faced space in your character. Means if ch is equals to space, then it means uh, you have covered one word, so you will increase the value of wr. You are using increment operator wr plus plus, and then you will increase simply I to move the while loop. Again, see, we will see the example on the output screen. Our line is Kanika Trehan is an intelligent girl, and our task is to find the number of words and number of vowels in this complete line. Firstly, in the while loop, str I is 0, so at str 0, which is the character k of Kanika, that k will be stored in ch, and that will be compared to null character. K is not null character, so k is checked by a, e, I, o, u, so we will not increase the vowels. Else we will check whether k is a space character. No, it is not a space character, so we have not completed the word yet, so we will increase the I. Now again, str1, I is 1. Now str1, the character is a according to the output screen. We will again follow the same procedure, then n, then I. Now when it will face a, now a of Kanika, a will be matched with one of the vowels, so we will increase the VOW value, and then we will move to n, then I is there, then we will increase the VOW value. When Kanika we will complete, then we will get the space type, space will be matched with else part of this while loop, and then we will increase the number of words that we have covered one word. In this way, you are completing the complete line. Kanika Trehan is an intelligent girl. Now, the main point is, in the end, you will just simply display VOW and WR. You are printing the line in 24 number line and 25 number line, but the new point to learn is that in 25th line you are displaying WR with an increment operator plus plus WR. You need to think this. If we were in a live class, I will definitely ask this question, why we are putting the increment operator on WR. Now I am giving you the answer that when we will complete Kanika, we get space. We will increase number of words. When we complete Trehan, we get space. We will increase number of words. After is also space, after an also space, after intelligent also space. But after girl, we will not get the space, we will get the null character. So our while loop will stop and it will not count the girl word of this line. So to consider the last word of the line, we are putting the increment operator in the printing of WR. I'm repeating this last point again. Listen, we in this program we are calculating the number of words and number of vowels in your sentence, but while calculating the number of words in the sentence, the key logic is we are focused on the spaces in the line. How many, when space is encountered, we will increase the number of words. So after Kanika you are encountered with space, you are counting it as one word. After Trehan you are encountered with space, you are considering Trehan as one word. Simply till intelligent your procedure is going fine. But after the girl word, you are not encountered with space, you will be encountered with null character, because it is a compulsion that after string, completion of string, the termination is with null character. So for that null character, you will not consider, you will not be incrementing WR, because you have not you are not encountered with space. So to consider that last word of the line in the number of words, we are incrementing WR while printing. So students, this is the completion of this presentation, which mainly I have covered the initial beginning of strings, introduction to strings, declaration of strings, how to read the string from the user, how to print the string from the user, various methods of reading and writing, and programs from your book. In the in your, you can study this presentation. I will give you 2 days for this, 2 days to study and this presentation and understand this presentation, and 5 programs from the book are covered in this presentation. Two are additional and simple, you can skip for practical purpose also. You need to complete this work practically also to understand the strings. And only last phase of this chapter, second phase of this chapter, string handling functions is left, which I will be delivering after 2-3 days. Till then you need to understand and practically solve all these programs of strings. And you can ask me doubts anytime through Google Classroom, WhatsApp, call, any or email, whichever suits you. Thank you.